Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Kids, आज मैं आपको मिलवाने जा रही हूँ जंगल के एनिमल से। चलिए मिलते हैं जंगल में रहने वाले एनिमल से। Here is giraffe. They have spots, very long legs and long neck. Here is zebra. They are white and black striped mammals of Africa. They are playful and social. Tiger. Tiger is a national animal of India. They are fearless and noble. Monkeys. Monkeys are clever and social animals. They live both on the ground and in the trees. Elephants. Elephants are highly sensitive and caring with well-developed social behavior. Rabbits are highly intelligent, social and affectionate. They are perfect pet for children. Foxes. Foxes are intelligent and shy but can be playful if they trust you. Kids, meet the deer. They are curious and shy creatures. Snakes. Snakes doesn't have legs but they can move from one place to another by crawling. Bear. They have poor eyesight but they have excellent sense of smell. Meet with the last one. Rhinos are introvert and have a great memory. Kids, if you like my videos, hit the bell icon